Welcome. Really appreciate you. This has been a great event, and welcome to this year's awards for 2024 IoT Solutions World Congress, and of course, Barcelona's Cybersecurity Congress as well. So we're going to be recognizing great individuals who have great solutions, who are solving problems, and I got to tell you, I am honored to be able to be here and, just highlight these individuals. Before we get cracking, we got a couple of things. Those trophies, these, are designed by Johan Junkosa. I hope I got that right. And by the way, I'm going to mispronounce names, so if I mispronounce your name, don't take it personally. Just please. We also have to thank our sponsors. We got Diamond, that's KNX, IoT Squared, AWS. They're all up here, but I'm going to say it anyway. Our gold, DigiCert, as well as Palo Alto. Silver, we've got T-Systems, Imnify, Faircom, Imply, and I don't know how do I say this one, but ST Microelectronics, I hope I got that right, Sony, Thale, and TX1, and our country partners are UPIC and Wuxi Government from China. Hope I got everything, because Maria's going to get on me. All right, let's get cracking with the awards. The first category, Best Connected Transport and Smart Vehicle Solution. The nominees are, do we have Sigrid, get up here. Get up here. She's going to, boy, there she is. Thank you very much. All right, the nominees are Kaffler. The second one is Hello Auto Connect, Connected and Intelligent Driving by Hello Insurance Group. And then Green Connection, IoT, Enforced Management, and Effort Tech Technology. Hope I got that right too, because I've already started out. And the winner is Kaffler. Kaffler. Oh, you were Kaffler? Wow! Pleasure meeting you. Oh, it's just there, man. Right there. Careful, they're heavy. Here, let me help you with that. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Take pictures. All right, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well done. Very good. Yeah, just music. Yeah, just thank you. All right. Second category, Best Healthcare Solution. Here. Philip, let's get this name. Don't help me with this name. I got it. Piakovich. Did I get it? Piakovich. There he is. General Secretary of AI Data Robotics and Association. Piakovich. The nominees are Maxence by eMaze Technology Innovations. The second one is SkinGuard, a mobile phone application for early detection of malignant skin lesions by Topazium Artificial Intelligence. And Transforming Care, the power of real-time location systems by Centrax. The winner is Topazium Artificial Intelligence, the SkinGuard mobile phone application for early detection of malignant skin lesions. That's a mouthful. Son of a gun. Congratulations. Congratulations, yeah. He's also a part of it? What's that? Oh, very. That's okay. Very good. Take those pictures. Congratulations, very good. Thank you very much. All right, the third category, best energy and utility solutions. Let's call up Rudy Jensen. Did I get you? All right, man. He's club manager, building and infrastructure technology at Agoria. Very good. All right, the nominees are autonomous seismic acquisition device and geophysical robotics by Saudi Aramco. Are they already up there? What? It's the dynamic fine-tuning of predictive water chemistry model by Barbara Tech. Did you get that? No, these are the nominees. Don't turn away. Just turn away right now. So the other is EIOT, the Integrated Mobility Center of Raspal, and then the dynamic fine-tuning of predictive water chemistry models by Barbertech. And the winner is Barbertech, the dynamic fine-tuning. How come they're up there and I'm not even nominated? Okay. Good. All right. We're going to get this thing dialed in. It's all about the process. Let's call up Flavio Maida. Did I get that right? Vice President of Avink. Did I? Avink, right? Hit it out of the park? All right, the nominees are Revolutionizing Industrial Maintenance through Loktitaya, Pulse IIoT Solutions by Hinkle. The second one is Tata Chemical Limited, leveraging TCS digital twin to drive carbonization process optimization at their Indian plant by Tata Chemical India. And then the third one is next generation manufacturing, integrated IoT and 3D modeling for enhanced operational insight, and by Diplotech. Got it. The winner is Revolutionizing Industrial Maintenance through Loktitaya. That's right. Pulse IoT Solutions, Hinkle. And all right. This category is smart building and smart city solutions. I want to call up Charlene Vindermeer. Did I get that? Yes. She's the Deputy Director of Flanders Investment and Trade. All right. The nominees are GridSense Omnios, Industrial First Truly Integrated Solution for Spatial Intelligence, Decarbonization, and Well-Being by Digitura Technologies. The second one is Alondro Gateway, transforming a 6,000 square meter office building into smarter campus by Alondro. And then the third one is Discovery How M-Climate Vicky Smart Radiator Thermostat reduces average cost by 35% and rapidly retrofitting any type of building by M-Climate. And the winner is M-Climate. M-Climate Vicky's Smart Radiator. Is there... Nobody with them climate? Well done. Very good. All right. Best cybersecurity solution. Come on up, Mark Rayalps. Get on up here. He's the Secretary of Telecommunication and Digital Transformation at Generalitat Catalonia. Ah. Thank you, he's kind too. And the nominees are Infravron Smart Badge, making zero trust comfortable. RIoT Secure, Advanced Secure Lifestyle Management for IoT by IoT Secure AB, and MuScope and Risk. The winner is Infravron Smart Badge, making zero trust comfortable by Infravron. All right, the final special award, Game Changer of the Year. Get on up here, Mark. The winner is Alicia Alson, co-founder and CEO. I hope I get this name right, please. Librium. What is it? What's the name? Oh, gosh.
It's really heavy, no? I'm so amazed, and I'm very excited to receive this award. It's an award to, I don't know if for being a game changer, but for sure for being in this industry, in this amazing and great industry that we call IoT, which is hard. And I think that the award should be named the Resilience Award, of the Survivors Award. If you work in this industry, you know what I mean, right? Yeah, I see many people nodding here, yeah? I want to thank to the delegates of Livelion that are here with me today, because obviously no one is nobody if you don't have an amazing team. And I think that if we can be proud of something in Livelion, we can be very proud of the people that is behind the Livelion. I want to finish with just one message, and is that we have an amazing and tremendous privilege for being in this industry. Because independently of who is a game changer or who is not, this is a game-changing industry. And we are the ones that are shaping the future. But a big power comes with a big responsibility, some superhero said once. And I think that this is the most important moment to remind that. It's the moment when we have to bear in mind that technology needs to ensure that makes a more sustainable world, a more inclusive world, and that we really use technology and we really use all our energies and all the wisdom and the talent that is in that hole back there to really make this planet a little bit better than it was when we arriving here. In Livalion, we understand that path by trying to pivoting and using sensors, something very hardware thing, to really transform that into data and into more informed decisions. The legacy that we wanted to give to our world is datacracy, which is a world ruled by more rational decisions, a world ruled for more data and less ideologies, especially in all the decisions related to climate change. I think that's a great thing to wake up every morning for. I wish you to find your own goal and to be inspired to find a similar or the same goal joining us and to make a much better world with IoT. Thank you very much.
All right, in closing, couple of things. One, you were wonderful. We're going to be calling all of the nominees and award winners up here for a picture, so don't go to the wonderful networking opportunities. Everybody else can start networking. It's all available. But all of the individuals who were nominated and who are award winners, come on up here, and thank you very much for joining this particular event and celebrating these wonderful nominees and the awards. So thank you very much. Enjoy the networking out there.